Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today, with the events in Ukraine very much on my mind, I'm going to show you a beautiful card I made with the hope for peace and unity. I'm also going to post a link in the video description showing a number of places where you can donate to support the Ukrainian people in this humanitarian crisis. Stampin' Up! Has just released a really special collection of products called the All Together Collection, and I feel this is a perfect product to use today. The collection includes the All Together stamp set, these coordinating dies, a stack of 6x6 designer series papers with all black and white designs, and this wonderful new collection of natural tones blends. Unlike the rest of our blends, these do not correspond to other Stampin' Up! Colors. Rather, they were designed to allow us to create projects with a full range of skin tones to honor the diversity of people all around the world. This whole collection is available now, and the blends will carry over into the upcoming annual catalog. However, the stamp set and the paper are only available until May 2nd, and the dies are only available while supplies last. I'm going to start by embossing these two pieces of cardstock with the Painted Texture 3D embossing folder. These will create a Ukrainian flag as the backdrop to my card. Now I'll stamp these two hands in Memento black ink on my white cardstock. I'm going to cut out the hands with the coordinating dies, and also use a die from the Tasteful Labels to cut out an additional shape. I'll stamp my sentiment on the circle shape. I'm going to use the sunflower stamp from Jar of Flowers stamp set to add sunflower designs on these hands. Sunflowers are the national flower of Ukraine. I don't want them to be too bold, so I'm going to use basic gray ink and stamp off before stamping onto my project. Now I'll color the hands with my Natural Tones blends. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Again, please see the video description to see a link showing a number of places where you can donate to support the Ukrainian people in this crisis. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to know more about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the events calendar, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping!